Basic components of a computer. A computer system mainly consists of input devices, output devices, CPU, memory, and storage. Input devices like keyboard and mouse help us enter data, while output devices like monitor and printer show the result. The CPU is called the brain of the computer because it processes all instructions. It includes the ALU for calculations and control unit to manage operations. Memory like RAM and ROM stores data temporarily or permanently, and storage devices like HDD or SSD save data for long-term use. Instruction cycle. The instruction cycle is the basic working process of the CPU. First, the computer fetches the instruction from memory. Then it decodes the instruction to understand what action is needed. After that, it executes the instruction, which may involve calculation or data movement. Finally, the result is stored back in memory. This cycle keeps repeating every second while the computer is running. Computer networks and types. A computer network is a group of computers connected together to share data and resources. There are three main types of networks. LAN covers a small area like school or office. MAN covers large areas such as city. WAN covers a very large area like the country or the entire world. And the internet is the best example of WAN. Networks help in communication, file sharing, and internet access. DNS, DHCP, and NAT. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It converts website names into IP address so computers can find them. DHCP automatically assigns IP addresses to devices in a network. NAT stands for Network Address Translation, and it covers private IP addresses into public IP address so devices can access the internet. These technologies help networks run smoothly. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the basic technologies used to create website. HTML provides the structure of a web page using tags and elements. CSS is used to design and style the web page, including colors, fonts, and layout. JavaScript adds interactivity such as buttons, forms, and dynamic content. Together they form the foundation of web development. A number system. Name the types used in computers. A number system is a method of representing numbers using a set of digits or symbols based on a particular base or radix value. In computers, different number systems are used to represent data and instructions. The main number systems are binary base 2, decimal base 10, octal base 8, and hexadecimal base 16. Among these, binary is the fundamental number system used internally by computers because it uses only 0 and 1. Define bit and byte. A bit is the smallest unit of data in a computer and it can hold only one binary value, either 0 or 1. It represents the basic building block of digital information. A byte is a group of 8 bits combined together. Bytes are commonly used to represent characters, numbers, and other types of data in computer systems. What is ASCII? ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, is a standard character encoding system used to represent text in computers and communication devices. It assigns a unique numerical value to letters, digits, and special symbols using 7 or 8 bits. For example, the letter A is represented by the number 65 in ASCII. What is Unicode? Unicode is a universal character encoding standard developed to represent characters from almost all languages and scripts in the world. Unlike ASCII, which supports limited characters, Unicode can represent thousands of characters including symbols and emojis. It ensures consistent encoding and representation of text across different systems and platforms. List the main components of CPU. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the main processing unit of a computer and consists of three primary components: the Arithmetic Logic Unit ALU, Control Unit CU, and registers. The ALU performs arithmetic and logical operations. The Control Unit directs and coordinates all activities of the computer, and registers store temporary data and instructions during processing. What is fetch, decode, execute cycle? The fetch, decode, execute cycle is the basic working process of a CPU. In this cycle, the CPU first fetches an instruction from memory, then decodes it to understand the operation to be performed, and finally executes the instruction using the ALU. This process repeats continuously as long as the computer is running.